Today's video is very short. The reason is that I'm actually making another video this week which involves a lot more work, but that video cannot be published yet. It will be published within a couple of weeks probably. So I'm making this small video just to publish something this week. And what I want to say is simply that I have a new version out of my macro photography handbook. Version 2, the first real update. And the book has now grown from 113 pages to 126 pages. I added a couple of sections, one pretty long section with gear recommendations. What camera, lenses, flashes and diffusers that I recommend, both if you want the best unlimited budget stuff and also if you want the cheapest stuff that is still good. So that's one example of things I added to the macro photography handbook. So yeah, pretty much just an ad for my book because I need a little bit extra income now at the end of the month. So if you're interested, please go buy one now. Everyone who has purchased the book earlier gets this update for free. You'll get an email today with a download link so you can just grab the latest copy. That's it. See you soon again. Thank you for watching.